Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys a brand new phone theme. So I did decorate my phone and add a new phone theme and wallpaper, and I wanted to share with you guys how it looks like because I like sharing new phone themes and wallpapers with you guys. So if you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started.
Alright, so I'm going to share with you guys this free wallpaper. This is what it's called, and that is the creator, and here's a little preview. That's always on display right there with the little 3 hearts. I'm going to apply this wallpaper and theme combination here. So I've used this one before, but I really love this one, so I wanted to use it again. See, the pastels are so pretty, as well as the icons, and I really like this theme, so I'll be using that as my primary theme and then just adding some wallpapers that I found. So here are the wallpapers. They are Hello Kitty, they are pastel as well, and they match perfectly with the theme. So these are the 2 wallpapers that I'll be using. And then here's another one that I found that I thought was too cute not to use. So these are the 3 wallpapers. They are free, and I'm going to apply them to this theme. So this is the first one. So this is a blue wallpaper with Hello Kitty on the phone. I thought that was super cute for a lock screen. I just thought it looked really cute as an image. And then I am going to also switch out to the other one. So here is the actual home screen with the icons, all the apps, and I love this one just because of the shooting star kind of effect at the top. I love the pink color, super pastel, and matches really well with the overall theme. There's also some little polka dots in the background. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I think that looks really cute and really girly, and I feel like it also goes well with the other image. So the other image is this one. So this one is super pretty because it has the pink color as well as a lavender color, and we have Hello Kitty and the teddy bear, so they're having tea and like a cake, and I thought this one was really cute. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.